Hey there. After the fifth viewing, every house blurs together, and the one you remember isn't always the one that made sense. This tracker keeps the facts straight and does the money math for you. Let me walk you through it. The dashboard summarizes your search: properties tracked, offers made, and offers accepted. Property comparison is the heart of it. Address, asking price, beds, baths, square feet, year built, lot size, HOA, annual property tax, and days on market. Every house on one row, so you're comparing rather than remembering. The mortgage calculator takes purchase price and down payment and works out what you'd actually pay each month. Closing costs is the tab that stops the nasty surprise. It itemizes the buyer's side: lender fees, origination, application, and the rest, with estimated against actual, so you can budget for the several $1,000s people routinely forget. The offer tracker records every offer and what came back: your offer, the date, contingencies, the seller's response, any counter, your final response, and the expiration date. The inspection checklist walks the house by category with condition, estimated repair cost, and priority, which turns an inspection report into a negotiating position. Moving Timeline runs the whole process in phases, from pre-approval through to move-in, with target and actual dates. Budget Reality Check works from your monthly gross income to a maximum home budget, never mean the honest number, which is often below what a lender will approve you for. Open House Notes is the quick capture tab for viewings: first impression out of 10, pros, cons, and the agent's details, while it's fresh. And the document checklist tracks the paperwork the lender will ask for: pay stubs, W-2s, and the rest, with what you've submitted and when. That's the house hunting and home buying tracker. Excel and Google Sheets, and the link is below.